Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how loud is speaker in this device with the help of the decibel meter. I'll just enable the decibel meter and I'll just set here the max volume mode. So that means that when the decibel meter will just will register the loudest sound, here the volume of the on the display will change, so only in this case. So now just I'll enable the our song, and so let's get started.
In a dollar bin. Guess you forgot your calendar bin. You can't get loose, get your guts, got your tongue again. Rope burn on your hand, are you numb yet? I can go with your medication. Late at night, I can deal with your crystal. Every night, you can make it like home. And that's what good. That's what good. Stood by your side through all of the lies, watching you cry for me. Get on your knees, apologize please. Now why don't you die for me? I'm the king, ruler of things, with a diamond ring. Get on your knees, apologize please. Now why don't you die for me? I can go, but I drip medication. Late at night, I can deal with your crystal. Every night, you can make it like home. And that's what good. That's what good. You're not good for me at all. I'm in full darkness and with my mind. I bet that you do this all the time. The rough of blood that's on behind your mask. All I can see is red flag.
So as can you see that how it looks, and the XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G reached the 110.7 decibels. So, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.